Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing good at home. I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking English subject. This is Show and Tell, lecture number 20. So everyone, first raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi zidni ilma. Again, Rabbi zidni ilma. Now, let's revise dua for traveling. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallazi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Children, as we have done Islamic months in our previous lesson, but we have to revise them again. So question number 1 is name of Islamic months. As we all know, there are 12 Islamic months. Number 1, Muharram. Number 2, Safar. Number 3, Rabiul Awwal. Number 4, Rabiul Sani. Number 5, Jamadul Awwal. Number 6, Jamadul Sani. Number 7, Rajab. Number 8, Shaban. Number 9, Ramadan. Number 10, Shawwal. Number 11, Zilqat. And the last Islamic month, number 12, Zilhajj. Children, you have to learn these names of the month at home. Now, question number 2. Which is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Again, I am going to read question. Question number 2. Which is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Answer is first month of the Islamic calendar is Muharram. First month of the Islamic calendar is Muharram. Now, what you need for this lesson? Student book, literacy book, English notebook, and pencil, eraser, and sharpener.
128. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
I want peaches.
I want meat.
I want peas and beans to eat.
Okay, now children, hurry up, go and bring your student books. I hope you all have student book in your hands. Open book, page number 24. The lesson name is Say It With Me. Objective of the lesson is practice words with long E. Spelling E. Okay, now what do you see in this picture? How many characters are there? Yes, you all are saying right. There are just 3 characters. Prickly, Benny, and Fifi. And what are they doing? And where they are sitting? Yes, you are right. They are having a picnic and they are sitting on a mat. Around them, there are some big trees and bushes, and they have some food items. And they all have plates in front of them, in which they will put their favorite food. Can you tell me names of these food items? Yes, you are right. The first picture of there is peas and beans. Peas, P-E-S, peas, and beans, B-E-N-S, beans. Okay, who wants to eat peas and beans? Yes, Fifi wants to eat. Okay, now look at the next picture. What's that? Is that a fruit or a vegetable? Yes, you are right. This is fruit. Peaches. P-E-Ch-S. Peaches. And who wants to eat peaches? Yes, Prickly wants to eat peaches. Now look at the picture of meat. Who wants to eat meat? Yes, Benny wants to eat meat. Now children, on this page, what you have to do, first you have to read the prickly speech bubble with me. Now start reading. I want. W-O, want. W-A-N-T, want. I want peaches. P-E-P-Ch, peach. E-S, peaches. I want peaches. Okay. Now look at the peaches picture, and with the picture of peaches there is a small square box is given. What you have to do, you have to write capital P in that box. Yes. Now look at the Benny picture and what Benny wants to say. Read that line. I want. W-A-N-T, want. I want meat. M-E-T, meat. Look at the meat picture. There is also a small square given. In the square, you have to write capital B because Benny wants to eat. You have to write capital B in that box. Now look at Fifi picture and what's the written in speech bubble? Let's read. I want. W-A-N-T, want. I want peas. P-E-S, peas. I want peas. A-N-D, and beans. B-E-N-S, beans. I want peas and beans. T-O-2, eat, eat. Fifi wants to eat peas and beans. Now you have to write capital F in that square. Here I want to explain that the letters E and A, digraph E, don't always make the long E sound. Here are some words given with some of them giving long E sound and some are with the short E sound. Look at the first word, that is please. P-E-S, please. Please is giving long E sound. Head, H-A-D, head, with the short E sound. Clean, K-E-N, clean. Clean is with a long E sound. Feather, F-A-T-H-E-R, feather. Eat, eat, eat. Meat, M-E-T, meat. Peaches, P-E-ach, peach, E-S, peaches. Beans, B-E-N-S, beans. Peas, P-E-S, peas. Bread, B-E-D, bread. Now please, meat, clean, peaches, beans and peas. These are the long E sounds word. And head, feather, bread, these are the short E words.
1-8. Listen and repeat. 1. Peach, beach. 2. Beak, week. 3. Seal, meal. 4. Read, lead.
Now children, take literacy book and open page number 10. What you have to do here, you have to write rhyming words. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound, like cat, rat, jump, pump, yellow, mellow. These are the rhyming words. Okay, now look at the page. Some words are given in the word bank like meal, beach, week and lead. Look at the each picture, and some pictures are with the words given under them like peach and beach. Look at number 2. There is a picture of a bird, and what is written under that picture? Beak. Beak. Okay. Now next picture is of a boy. He is going to pick up the weight. He is trying to pick up the weight, but he cannot pick up. Why? Because he is weak. W-O, weak. You have to write, 4 lines are given. You have to write spelling of weak. W-O, weak. W-E-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Now look at number 3. Seal. E-L, seal. Another picture of meal. M-E-L, meal. You have to write spelling of meal in the 4 lines given. Look at number 4 picture. There is a girl holding a book. What she's doing? Read. And another picture of a dog. What you have to write? Which word is left in the word bank? Lead. L-E-D, lead. Okay, now open English notebook and write date 17th August. A-U-G-U-S-T, August, comma 2020. Now write capital H T stands for home task. And then write Monday. 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 Okay. Now in the margin line write topic. TOPIC topic. Days of the week. DAYS days. OF days of. THE the. WEEK week. Days of the week. Now you have to write one and then write spelling of Thursday. 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 Under number 1 write 2, then write 3, then write 4 and then write 5. What you have to do, you have to learn the spelling of Thursday and you have to write these spellings just for 5 times in a good writing. And send me the image of your written work. I just want to see that how you people are doing your work. Are you doing your work in a good writing? I will give you stars on your work. Okay children, I hope you learnt many things in this lesson. Inshallah we will meet again next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.